I'm Tom Perls. I'm a professor of medicine and geriatrics at the School of Medicine. And I founded and run the New England Centenarian Study. We have a number of studies that support the New England Centenarian Study, mostly from the NIH. We have the Longevity Consortium, which is a group of investigators looking at mostly the biology of aging from around the country. Everybody, the next three people and I are part of that consortium. The Long Life Family Study is a study that's been going on since 2004, following about 550 families that are clustered for exceptional longevity. And there's a number of sites throughout the country that are running that study, including us. And then the Integrative Longevity Omics Study is a study that I call omicking the hell out of our centenarians. And that's collecting a lot of omics data on the centenarians. And then lastly, we have the RADCO, which is a study of resilience, especially cognitive resilience, in our centenarians and even older people, 105, 110. And these are some of the folks that we collaborate with. You'll hear from Stefano and George in a minute. Stacy helps run the Centenarian Study. Rhoda Al is one of our collaborators. Here on the Charles River campus is Daniel Segre, who helps run the microbiome studies. The reason we study centenarians, I'm going to cut to the chase of this slide. Basically, we have these folks called survivors, delayers, and escapers. They all do very well in terms of their functional status up through their mid-90s. Some of them also escape age-related diseases at 100. These are the ones who are more likely to go on to 105, 110. But what has really emerged with these folks is that they are a natural model of aging spectacularly well and having not only a long health span, but obviously a long lifespan. So we are mostly studying these people now because we've discovered that the trick here is having protective factors, protective genes that slow down your rate of aging and decrease your risk for age-related disease. It's a combination of many, many factors. We think we have a better chance of discovering these in these oldest individuals because they become more and more alike as they get to these most extreme ages, so they must have some things in common. For the purposes of this crowd, I just wanted to quickly mention our resources that you all should be thinking about that we share. These include all the omics data that I mentioned, proteomics, metabolomics, genomics. We're working on getting long-read whole genome sequencing on everybody, the microbiome. We get their pedigree data, medical and dental history, dietary habits and intake. For the RADCO study, we get their brain MRIs. And then we have all these biosamples and some brain donation as well. And I think that's it.